Hello friends, Kulumbai, Namaste. Hope you all are fine by the grace of God and welcome back to your awesome channel. 5 benefits of online writing and publishing. To make this video, let me use our experience and make it very simple to understand the benefits of online writing and publishing. Right now, if you want to publish your writing, then we have 2 options. Traditionally, you can submit your book or articles to a publisher and he will take care of the publishing part. But nowadays, with the help of internet, you can write and publish your work online. And the best part is, if you do it properly and follow the system, you can earn money. Online writing and publishing have a few advantages over the traditional method. Let's try to understand 5 of them. It's quick and easy to publish. Well, first of all, online writing and publishing are the quickest and the easy way to share your work with a large number of the audience. Apart from that, nowadays we are using the online world to gather information. We love sharing our thoughts and ideas in the form of writing. So, just write your thoughts in MS Word or Google Doc and then share your articles in forums like Hub Pages or Medium or in your own blog. Now, publishing your work has become that simple. The best way to do marketing. The online world is always about creating high-quality content and engaging the audience through writing or videos. If you can create quality content on a regular basis, then your audience will love to read and this will help you in marketing your products online. And by writing quality content and sharing with people will help you become an expert in your own domain and you will be considered as an influencer. Easy to edit after publishing. One of the disadvantages traditional print media will always have is, once it's published, you cannot just go back and make the changes. Whereas, in the case of online writing and publishing, you can make as many changes even after you publish it. So, after publishing your articles, you found out that you need to make some correction in the paragraphs or want to add new diagrams or links, etc. Then, just go ahead, make the changes and republish it, and that's it. Can be a source of passive income. There are many talented individuals who work online and make a living by it, or at least they have created one source of income for them. These guys write high-quality contents over and over again. Some of them are earning between $200 to $900, that is rupees 22,500 to rupees 67,500 per month by writing many articles. Some examples of very successful hub-based writers who are earning such passive income are Katie Fields, Linda Crampton, Edie Carrara. They are earning this on a monthly basis. But we must remember these writers have put superhuman efforts to reach this stage today. Longer shelf life than traditional publishing. In the case of traditional publishing, once you publish your writing in the form of a book or journal, publishers will be displaying them in the bookstore. But once new books will publish, they will replace your books immediately unless that book is in high demand. Due to this, an author's book will have less shelf life. Whereas in the case of digital writing and publishing, the case is in your favor always. Your audience can anytime check out your digital writing or updates, as it will always be available online at the finger of their click. So suppose I want to read one article written by some blogger. I can always search online and read it as and when I need. My idea is not to discourage offline publishers and authors of great books. I just wanted to share the benefits of online writing and publishing. Kindly share, like and subscribe to our channel. Your support means a lot to us. And always remember, you're awesome. Thank you.